commissioned him to go around the country together with some former NPA rebels who were commissioned into the Philippine Constabulary and the Philippine National Police. Pag-aralan ninyong mabuti yung style of assassination. Kahapon, dalawa, think it was a husband and wife, who went to the bank to get some money. Paglabas nila, sinundan sila sa karinderya para ata kumain at pinagbabaril yung dalawa. Please, presence of mind always. And as of now, by the law of averages, I am not condemning you to death. I'm just saying, keep a low profile, heighten your sense of awareness. At kung makita kung medyo alanganin, if you are not sure